Good morning, Hong Kong. Welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101, where this week we're looking at proximate cause. Now, insurance is a tricky beast. Unless you spend a vast amount of time studying policy documents, you're likely only going to have a limited understanding of some of the core mechanisms that influence the coverage you hold. From what risk can be insured to the length of various policy terms, and even how premiums are calculated. There's a lot of minutia that needs to be understood. Thankfully, the expert insurance brokers at CCW Global have a comprehensive understanding of the details that make your insurance policies work. But we also want you to have some idea of the impact of these mechanisms. That being said, what is proximate cause and how does it impact your insurance? The primary purpose of insurance is to protect you against a specific risk. In fact, the definition of insurance is an equitable exchange of risk for a predetermined fee. Now, some people may be wondering here how exactly a risk is exchanged. When you buy a car, you need to register it in order to drive on public roads. As part of your registration process, you will be required to obtain the regulated insurance coverage. While you have some options here, the principle across all the products will be the same. If you are at fault for an accident which causes personal or bodily injury, having paid your premium, the insurance company underwriting your policy will then pay your financial liability up to the policy limit. This is an otherwise complicated way to say that a really basic explanation of insurance is you pay someone else to give you or other people money when bad things happen. As such, and as should immediately be seen, claims form one of the most important components of any insurance product. In fact, one could argue that claims are the most important aspect of insurance, being the entire reason that the product was first developed in the first place. When looking at an insurance claim, the most important thing for the insurer to understand is whether the claim is covered by the policy. This may not be as easy as it first appears. Let's say you have a home insurance policy for fire insurance. The fire insurance will specifically exclude claims caused by water damage. Now, in your home, you have a sprinkler system. A fire starts in your kitchen, causing the sprinkler system to activate. The water from the sprinklers floods your home, causing excessive water damage. Remember, the policy specifically excludes claims caused by water damage. Is the damage caused by the sprinklers covered under the fire insurance policy? The surprising answer here is yes. For those non-insurance experts out there, this answer may be fairly confusing. The damage was caused by waters from the sprinklers, and the water damage is excluded from the policy. Why then, in this situation, would the claim be honored? It is because the original cause for the claim was the fire. Without the fire, the sprinkler system would not have activated. Ergo, the fire was the root cause for the claim. And as the policy covers fire, the claim is covered by insurance. This is what we know as proximate cause, the identification of the root cause of any claim. This concept is fundamental to insurance because you have to know whether the claim stems from a covered risk. If the original cause, the ultimate cause, the proximate cause for the claim is excluded, then the entire claim is invalid. Understanding how your policy works ensures that you know exactly what you are protected against, enabling you to plan and adjust accordingly, and even purchase new cover if you need it. From car insurance to travel insurance, the concept of proximate causes directly influences your ability to receive coverage in various claim situations. Proximate cause will determine who is at fault for a motor vehicle accident and why an event was canceled. It touches on and is apparent in all aspects of insurance because it is vital to its very definition. That's us for this week. We hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.